show for here. PEPPERMOUTH. Let's talk and come here. Shut down. Ladies and gentlemen, this guy I'm bringing on stage is my brother. He's very funny. If he's not funny at the end, I'll let him fun. Ladies and gentlemen, if your hands are not too busy, jam those hands together for PEPPERMOUTH. Hey, wayward bad boy. Ladies and gentlemen, hey, I think I this box, so I want Shamu. Hey. Top boy, get ready. Hey, mashallah, come ready. Okay. Bring it out. Go there. Give me sweet one.
Baddest boy.
Give me sweet one.
Yes.
Give me a bit.
Greater flavor than cool.
Baddest.
Bring it up. Aha. You don't do. Make sense. Before I start, if MC, that thing where you do where Dekola go dey talk, where you dey talk, no do one for me. Yeah. If you feel say comedy na money, start career. To show say I no go make am for life.
You go make am, bro.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, my name is PEPPERMOUTH. God bless you. Thanks for coming out. I appreciate you. Wanna clap. You know easy. Dekola, where you dey? I follow you talk. I want to talk something. Bros, I greet you. Senior man, no vex, shake me now. I like you. Jesus Christ, God bless you. Okay. My mama dey start hook up. Na joke. I know say Dekola no go give me money. Bros, I want to talk something. You pay for this seat. 50,000. You try yo. God bless you. Thank you so much. Thanks for supporting Dekola. You know why? You know why they thank you? Dekola get people. They know tell you say I do show here last month. That 20,000 I put it to. They no pay. Show of food. They no pay. I do show here last month now. Before I talk this thing, I want to clap for Dekola. I want to talk something. You see that Dekola of a guy? Dekola na person where we say, if people they waka go front and beat they there, then they fall inside that beat. Dekola go still go because he believes say he no go fall. That's why. No, this is why I live Akure. I can't get sense. That's why they be. Yes, now only way till you get now, you don't get money, you can advise people. That's why you are still poor. Dekola see the way I plan this show. I do show for Akure now. Since that day why I do show. Now today they see me. As I did like this, they find me. See who play for me now. Go there. Thank you so much. I don't pick your call. I dey owe you. I know say I dey owe you. See me here. If you want kill me. Life no pass that one. I do show. Akure. They will be oh, fool. Till today now me know wetin I dey face. While talking like we don't make am. I no get to. This Akure. Many things dey happen now. But I don't leave. Now why they call me now as a guest comedian. Now so now, you know, see my colleagues there, they don't believe in me, but I don't pass them. They know that I'm the biggest comedian in Africa now. I'm not foolish. We don't get talent, they say, oh, find talent to even a small. Big Sam Alpha. Your son next week, Abi, you go so that, I don't know what he, and like this, if you be first born for family, you can see all your life, what you want to do now, comedy. For this useless job. So it is now, as you want to start to do comedy now, you go make your family the chop. You go so far. No, be this comedy. I know that. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this is my 10th year in the comedy industry. This is my 10th year. I never blew. I don't perform. Who be all those people? Me, you know what I don't even answer now. Since why I come up for Akure, I don't trust anybody who go make me make them. I don't go there. Follow them talk. You know, see that one there. You dey look me since. Willie Mouth. You enter here, you don't buy ticket. You dey look me with pride. I say, don't make them pass me. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, put us together for Willie Mouth. MC Willie Mouth. Now my bestie before now, Dekola. You know, say now my bestie. But I don't get bestie again. Since I start following him, I no come funny. Funny I no see. Blow I no blow. Why they follow who they spot with person? No, you good now. I like the way Dekola do this one. Since they happen now, Dekola, I show. I mean, those people they pack all those money, I go see something. You know the way they go now. You see that they find me. You give me 2. 400. No, I don't. Doggy. You don't get why they insult me. Big boy like me. If they do manager, I just say, even your heart is never blow. If they cause who won't blow.
Make it here now. Abuse them. Say they abuse business.
Who they cause me for back? Curtis don't slap you before. I come here since now they talk Curtis. If MC, you not go give you sit down. When they talk Curtis. Don't be this. Now this Akumba audience now. I come in our school last year. Come perform October. I come crack Curtis joke. When I come they find me. When I won't beat me. See me for Akure now, I be Curtis here. When I beat me, now my time with this. All these Curtis joke, they know there is a play for Bini. Oh boy, you go there. Only you go there. All these day. And all these people now they cause them, I swear to God. When I go they make, they go they beat comedians. If comedian talk Curtis joke, when I don't fit and say, please don't say that. When I go come laugh. You will come look like say funny. Jesus. Thank you, bros. Oh boy, anybody will get money past my papa, they appreciate them. If my father get money, I don't go there, they do comedy. How much is that? 200. Take it back to Lagos. This comedy, a stupid job now. I swear to God. Very stupid job. So stupid, this job. You don't get. If normal, if you know what to be this why will not come out now? Many of you get exam tomorrow. When I leave Akumba, when I supposed to face in our future. I know spoil your market to wait make I go. When I leave Akumba, when I supposed to face in our exam, come Akure, make our open our eye now. What should I do for this Akure? Because some people will come stay here, they lie for when I say our jokes, they laugh. Very stupid job. I swear to I'm not proud of this job again. What's funny? Nothing is funny again now. Very stupid job. I swear. If they pay me, I don't work with them now. That's what they do.
I don't work with them now.
I beg, I don't land 10,000 naira. Join them too.
When you collect, they don't pass 20.
Wow. You don't collect 20,000 for sure.
Artists are busy, I know.
Wow. You don't grow. Artists are urgent 2K that they pay you before now. Don't they collect 20,000? But distinguished ladies and gentlemen, make I don't lie. Make una clap for code. I beg. I want to say something like now our favorite be this. If you check out most shows that they do for those states, now code they play for us. He's a loving guy and he's a supportive nigga. When I clap for him. When I clap for him, go there. No more supporting. I do this thing because I don't want to pay you again now. This I go pay you. Where the money that don't spray you, I will pay you. And they talk about Curtis. All these Curtis, I beg, if we dey talk Curtis joke, comedians, when they tell us say e no funny. Who? Olofofo.
Leave him.
Like say if you join court, you or your family, you know they're proud of. Idiot. You want join court? Awu. I go pity you. No be you where I'm a